decimal to percentage. So, sa pag-convert ng decimal numbers into percentage, ay i-multiply natin ang decimal numbers by 100. So, 0.45, i-multiply natin siya by 100. The result is 45%. Pero, para shortcut na tayo at hindi na natin kailangan mag-perform ng multiplication, so shortcut natin, simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Isa, dalawa. Kaya yung decimal point nandito na siya, so nagiging whole number. Ang 0.45 nagiging 45%. So again, 0.009 in percentage, that is, decimal point nandito, dalawang places to the right, isa, dalawa, that is 0.9%. Pero pwede mong lagyan ng 0 dito, 0.9%. 3.25. Nandito yung decimal point, isa, dalawa, that is 325%. So try to practice the last example here and you can comment down your answer.